Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is... And this is... And I'm about to embark on my first really decent mukbang in a long time. This is going to be a dual Mamee Shinsegai happening. So we're gonna have the habanero chicken and the habanero budai. So we're going to start out with the budai. Take a look at that.
Wow.
It's very red, isn't it, Mimi?
It's really red.
Yeah.
It's very red.
It's serious business, folks. At least that's what I hear.
Red.
A buddy of mine just did this and sounded like it was pretty tough. So there's going to be this one, and then there's going to be a dry one. So we're going to start with this and see how it goes. So, hey Miles, it's time. Yeah. Ready, set,
Go.
ready, set, ready, set.
Go.
Here we go. I got it, sweetie. Thank you. It's pretty hot. Yeah, pretty hot, spicy.
It's like Papa.
It is Papa. See, it's me.
It's mine, not you. Yummy. It's so yummy.
It's just so yummy.
It's so yummy. It's so yummy. It's yummy. It's so yummy. It's so yummy. Wow.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
I like Hello Kitty.
This is not Hello Kitty soup.
Is this noodle soup?
This is super spicy soup.
Spicy soup? It's a super soup. Wow. It's a spicy soup.
Yeah.
Soup too spicy to me.
Oh, way too spicy to Mimi.
Papa on 2 miles. Yummy. Miles like noodles. Miles like soup. It's so yummy.
Yeah, it's just too yummy.
So yummy. Like you, Papa.
I like you too. You're a funny kid.
I like you. Let's go. I like you.
Yeah.
I like you.
Getting there. Oh, don't touch it. No, don't touch the screen. That will get you 86th and bedroomed.
Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink.
Okay.
Ooh.
All right, one down.
Done.
Nope, not done yet.
Not done yet.
Oh. Oh yeah, no. Ooh.
Peekaboo.
All right.
Peekaboo. I see you.
You and me. Oh, it's squishy. Now this is the habanero chicken one.
I see you.
Oh.
Peekaboo. I see you.
I see you, Mimi.
Peekaboo.
Oh, it's kind of congealy. All right. What is that?
Go. Where's that go?
No, no more jumping. Ah!
I like bananas. I like bananas too. I like bananas. I like bananas. I like bananas. Funny. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny.
Vamos!
Vamos.
Go sit in the chair. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Papa needs a minute. Oh, this is freaking hot. Done. Oh my god. It's hot. How'd I do? How'd I do? Good?
Good.
I did it. Boom. Now I'm gonna go drink some protein drink. Nice and thick chocolate milk. Yeah. Oh wow. Been a while. Alright. This is the Hans the Ramen. Wishing you enjoy eating your noodles every day. Thanks to Felix over at Mamee Shitsuka. Right on and bye. That's spicy, guys. She come back. Where do you like how to? Did you? Go ahead. I'll get all you want. My face is melting still. Enjoy the Hello Kitty treat. Wow. So don't get me wrong, it's still burning, but wow. I just pounded 2 ice cold protein drinks. You don't like ice cream. You don't like ice cream. Whenever we've tried to give you ice cream, we go like this. And we get it up to your lips and you're like, no. You don't eat ice cream. Boy, I could go for some ice cream. I'll tell you what, this is no joke. It's serious business. I feel it's habanero heat, so it's a different animal than the stuff that you might be used to. There's the ghost pepper one too I could have done. I have a couple of those. That would have been too much though. This was too much already. But just reduced to a pile of quiver. I swear. But yeah, thanks for watching. This has been Hans, and this has been... And this has been...
Miles.
Hey, Maya. The guy on the couch. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Everything.
Have a good one.
I.